What?
Dad, Mommy, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber ka na. What do you have outside? What did you found?
And we found a reindeer.
You found a deer.
Oh, 2, 3 reindeer.
3 deers. So what can you tell? What can you say about the deer? Olivia, look the
You
camera.
look so nice. Come on.
Oh, don't.
Yes.
Olivia, look at here. What can you say about the deer?
Thank you, dears.
Lalapit sila sa'yo? Ha?
Oh, do it.
Ano, papakainin mo? I-upload natin sa YouTube to ha. Oh, say hi sa YouTube. Say hi.
Pakainin ko.
Hi YouTube, Olivia.
I'm not gonna scare
Olivia, mag-hi muna kayo sa YouTube nyo.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi YouTube. Hi everyone. Come on. Tatakbo yan.
But I want to get the grass.
Hi. Hello.
I'm actually gonna get the grass, but I'm gonna go this way.
And this.
Baka kagatin kayo, loko kayo ha.
Hindi ka nangangagat.
Baka suwagin kayo.
Nuntok?
Hi. Ha?
Nuntok?
Car. Car.
Livia.
I'm going.
Tapang ni Achi ah. Ayun na, lalapit na sa'yo. Takot.
Bahala ka.
Takot pala sa'yo eh.
Ako?
Kay Achi.
Okay, go in the car.
Okay, good thing that's not mommy. But if it is mommy, it's okay if I don't.